Flash puni fibro kajeng tip namanta result kiba puni menta kasni khandru tarik na June 2009 jongka Mpsc result of interview for the post of Assistant Inspector of Excise under the Commissioner of Excise November 2024 conducted by Commission on 13 and 12 and 13 June 25 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate are kini candidate kipala long successful yakni post Excise Shan TSE on reserve Mika Humbert Maulong on reserve Larisuk Janong on reserve Balakular RK Nongrang Khasjentia Syam Arkar Khasjentia Emmanuel Coxi Sangma Garu Rosel Wilson Shabong Khasjentia Richmond Cornelius Thaba Khasjentia Eliasar Tham Khasjentia Jasmine Pelilingdo Khasjentia Rijanai Nongdhar Khasjentia Zedan D Marak Azriel A. Sangma, Diano Marshall R. Marak, Sheriff C.H. Marak, Sydney Cyrus D. Shira, Christine Wanchi N. Arang, Shwisar Sangma, and Junko Timong Odar SC category. Kini ki candidate ki bala long successful umtakan post Assistant Inspector of Excise under the Commissioner of Excise November 2024. Congratulations namta kini baro candidate ki bala long successful. Tangkini ki jemput tip, tulis pun.